Red Bull gives you wings. Today's video, we are going for another POV drive. I know you guys like this POV drive. Go ahead and give it to you guys, right? We got our social media guys, F87 or G87 M2. This G87 M2 currently has a PLM full titanium catback exhaust. It also has the billet strut brace, CSL style, and the carbon or PLM carbon fiber intakes. And that's Johnson right there. Hey Johnson.
Hey sexy boy.
Let's go. We're gonna go to Alice's right now. Same route from the last video. And we're gonna head to the St. Gregory Beach. It's a really nice day today as well, so I hope it doesn't flag out all the way to Pacific or San Francisco area. But without further ado, let's go and get into it. You good? That shit's crazy. You good? It wants to keep going, guys. Oh my gosh. Record. Oh, you're recording? Yeah. Alright. Bit slippery here. park for a bit. We'll see how dirty the car is because we passed by hella water. Oh, surprisingly, it's not that bad, man. It's PPF and also ceramic coated, so it should be good. I just got to use the bathroom. Good thing about Johnson's car though, because Johnson's car is black. Look at that black just shining through, man. Can't really see any dirt at all or anything like that, but sheesh. You know, let me introduce you once again about the PLM, private label manufacturing. So we do a lot of Hondas, Subarus, BMWs. We do have our FL5 Civic Type-R here as our project car. That is Johnson's personal car. He currently has our full titanium catback exhaust, and then also some carbon fiber intakes, what we're going to show you guys later on as well. This is fully PLM bolt-on, and it's currently pushing 529 horses. Obviously, we got these nice wheels, man. This is probably one of my favorite JDM wheels ever. We got Mugen MF10s, and these are 18s, 265 square. So we are currently running Michelin PS4s. I'm pretty sure I've already told you guys this earlier. We currently have the silver Neomax at the shop, but we haven't put them on yet because I have a lot of things to take care of for the FL5, you guys. So Red Bull gives you wings. You good, kid? Yeah. You good? Hey, you see that? What? Front wheel drive, baby. Alright, take it easy here. Pepper spray here, I told you, right? What? You good? Yeah. You're recording, right? Yeah, I'm recording. Okay. going 16 miles an hour, guys. How do you feel so far, man?
It's fast as hell.
Nah, bro. Nah, Farrah is just over-exaggerating.
I am not over-exaggerating.
Oh, you're over-exaggerating. Man, tell her how here now. Shoot. All right, guys, so we made it here at San Gregorio Beach. The car real quick and let it breathe. Put it in gear.
This shit, I'm not trying to keep.
All right, guys, so again, we have the carbon fiber intake here for the FL5. We have the turbo inlet pipe, and also we have the stage 2 MHI turbo, and we have the PLM front down pipe, and it goes all the way down. PLM front pipe, and also full titanium catback exhaust. Wow, this is crazy.
53, but you drive way too fucking
not even,
fast,
not even.
dude.
I told T,
Are you sure?
bro? Come on.
Are you sure
No.
you don't want to go do a track day?
No, I don't know how to drive fast. What are you talking about?